This is my parking. Look at this snow. Almost my knee. This is my favorite car. What kind of car is this? Can you believe that? No? Look at this. This is my baby. Look at that. That's my babies there. Look at the neighborhood. All the snow. This is the first snow of our country. It's called Canadian white snow. We're gonna have white Christmas. People think I'm crazy, but I don't think so. I'm taping these movies for put in the YouTube, guys, and can see what Canadian snow looks like. Okay, that's enough. I guess I got 1 minute 50 cents. I go inside now.